Welcome everyone. I'll be instructing students on how to request and reserve equipment through the Broadcast and Media Operations online reservation system called R&R Booking. First off, you need to go to the website https://rrbooking.montclair.edu. Please do not forget the S after HTTP or the website will not work. Then you're going to log in using your MSU NetID and password. I'm going to go ahead and enter mine. And hit sign in. Once R&R has loaded, you will see two tabs on the upper left-hand corner, Booking and My Bookings. We're going to first work under the Booking tab. You'll be able to select the equipment you wish to reserve. Let's start with sending out a camera kit. First, you want to search for TV camera kits under the Resource Type section. Then you're going to select the day that you need the camera kit for. I'm going to go ahead and choose tomorrow's date. If you refer back to the key on the bottom, you could see the different colors represent different things. White means the camera is available, so I'm going to go ahead and select a camera kit. In the description, I'm going to write what my camera is being used for. So I'm going to put a PSA shoot. Then I'm going to select my pickup time and my return time. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow around 9:30 a.m. and return it 2 days later around 9:30. I need other equipment items, so I'm going to select Create a Bundle. Please note that certain items are highlighted in orange, and if you hold your mouse over the highlighted object, you'll see what the message says. So for example, the boom pole kit. It says that only 3 items are available in the selected time span. Some items have a message that says it's not available at all for the time span that you need. I'm going to select a boom pole kit. I'm also going to take out an XLR cable. And I'm going to take out a wired lav. All camera kits automatically come with its corresponding tripod. Please keep this in mind when selecting your equipment. When you're done, you're going to select Update. Under Linked Items, you're going to see the equipment you selected. Under Booking Instructions, you will see the information on collecting your items. This will also be emailed to you at your MSU email. After you click on Add, you will see a page of the booking confirmation. You could look over that and then exit out. Now you will see your booking appear in the slot selected in yellow stripes, meaning it's pending authorization. You will receive a booking confirmation in your email. Everything that's listed there has been sent, and you must forward it now to your professor, letting them know that your request is waiting authorization. Once your booking is authorized, you will receive an email for every item requested, stating that it has been authorized, and you could also go to My Bookings and look at your request. You'll see every item listed here for the time frame you wanted it for and pending authorization. This will change once your equipment has been authorized. Now let's say you have to make a change to your request. You're going to select on Modify. The page that you saw before when booking your items will reappear. You can adjust the time slots you've chosen, the description, and you can also hit on Edit to change the linked items. Let's say you need to add a Zoom recorder. You'll click on Edit. We'll scroll down. And then you're going to hit Update. This will undo your authorization, so anything that's already been authorized won't be anymore. So you want to make sure that you hit Save. You send the new booking confirmation email to your professor so they are aware that they need to reauthorize your equipment. Now, if you had to cancel your equipment altogether, all you would have to do is select your item and hit Remove. And your request is wiped from our system. The same workflow exists if you need to sign up for a location, such as a studio or a post-production station. You would just change your resource type to whatever it is you're looking for. For example, SEM Edit Labs. That's the end of this demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to call the BMO Cage at 973-655-6880.